Hello and welcome. During my second internship at Redfin, I worked for the search experience team, a team that built a map and a search engine for the company. Since this is a backend team, I was asked to go over some backend training. My manager gave me a 2-week deadline. During this time, I spent 10 hours per day in the office, believing I was productive. But in reality, I was wasting my time. I was on my phone, I checked email non-stop, I went to pointless meetings, and I talked to my friends. After my first 2 weeks, I got nothing done. Nothing. I barely finished half of the material. When I asked for an extension, my manager just gave me 2 more days to complete, and he asked me to speed things up. This was a wake-up call for me. I put everything aside, locked myself in a room, and went through the material with pure focus. Eventually, I was able to complete it. I finished 2 weeks of work in just 2 days. I realized that I don't need to put in too many hours to get things done. I just need focus. During my first 2 weeks, I spoiled my brain with unrelated tasks, and when I actually wanted to work, I had no more energy. I felt tired and lazy. My productivity went from 100 down to 0. That's why I got nothing done at all. This phenomenon is called a Parkinson's law. The law states that work is spent so as to fill the time available for its completion. The concept is simple. The shorter the deadline, the faster you finish the task. For example, if I give you 1 week to build a website, you will finish it in 1 week. If I give you 1 month, you will give me the website in 1 month. And if I give you 1 year, hell no, you will procrastinate and build a website in 1 year. I saw this pattern repeated times and times again for both my programming assignment at school and work at tech companies. Normally, when we have a far deadline, we just waste that time on non-important activities like scrolling on social media, checking emails, or watching movies. And when the deadline comes close, we start to pay attention and get done. A lot of developers say they need more time to get things done. In reality, they need more clarity and urgency. Here are 2 tips that you can use to apply the Parkinson's law to your workflow as a software developer. Number 1, have priorities. Always have a to-do list. If you start your day without knowing what you need to do, usually you will waste your time on non-important things. A to-do list gives you the clarity of what you need to finish for the day. Also, I recommend keeping your to-do list small. Have no more than 4 items. More tasks just make you feel more overwhelmed. Aim to finish the task at all costs. Don't compromise and don't let distractions stop you. Here's an example of my to-do list. Each week, I have several milestones to complete. For example, this week, I have to complete 2 YouTube videos, learn some machine learning concepts, solve 10-hour expert problems, and exercise 6 days per week. Then I break it down to a few daily critical tasks. For instance, on Wednesday, I have 4 tasks: complete editing my YouTube video, solve 2 to 3 array problems on Algo Expert, implement PCA from scratch, and finish my leg workout. If you want to get the same template, I will leave the link down below so that you can copy it to your own Notion profile. Number 2, set deadlines. For all the tasks in your to-do list, have a deadline for them. And more importantly, make the deadline as soon as possible, ideally within the same day. If there's something that you can do today, don't wait. Just set the deadline and finish it. Some people may say, oh, what if a deadline is too short? A short deadline is better than having no deadline at all. Deadlines give you a sense of urgency. If you don't have a deadline, the task will never be done. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.